Alright, so it's time I change these tracks out because you can see this one here has got a little bit of slack in it. The other one's been alright, but this one's come off on me a couple of times. And the problem I'm having with it is that it's just tearing apart. So you can see all the little splits in here. So one side of it got dry rotted. I think because of the way the sun comes in, you can see it's top and then it hits the bottom there. And now when you try to tighten it, it's just tearing it apart, so it's not holding. With this track, the adjustment is you gotta be able to get a 1/2 inch bolt from here to here. And that's the adjustment, is a 1/2 inch bolt will slip in there. And we've got tons of slack there now. So like I say, it keeps popping off. So I got 2 new tracks over there. They were like $2,200 in the end. Well, the tracks themselves I think were about 18, and then there was shipping, and then I got some new sprockets just in case these are worn. I'm gonna kind of put it up against it. I don't know if they're worn out. No, the tips aren't pointed or anything, but I don't want to put the tracks on and then put worn out sprockets on and then have them kind of wear the tracks out quicker. So I got some more sprockets just in case. I think those were like 150 bucks a piece. So in here there's it's kind of like a hydraulic piston, but you fill it up with grease on this, and the idler there will retract. Obviously the idler slides in and out. Well, like I say, you fill this up with grease to actually force the idler forward to put the tension on there. So inside here we've got a grease fitting for putting grease into it. Let's see if I can get you. Got a grease fitting for putting grease in, and then another one like a bleed screw for letting the grease out. So I gotta loosen up that bleed screw there, and then I'm gonna have to push the idler in so I can get the tension off the track, and then wrestle it off, and then obviously pull one of those over there and over here and get it on. So I'm going to loosen up that bleed screw there, and then maybe get a log or something like that underneath the track to kind of force it in, so we can get it off. There were 2 covers here. There's a hole here, or a bolt. This side was bolted on, and this side just kind of had a part that slipped in. Obviously broke the bolt, which is great. Here's the plate, so I gotta drill that out or grind it off or weld a nut onto it to back that off. I might just grind it flush and drill it out and put a bigger one in, so there might be less of a chance of it breaking. I think that's a 3/8 bolt. I might just go up to a 1/2 inch. That's all it really is a little cover. We got another one right there, but anyway, so I'll loosen up that bleeder and I'll pull this track off. So cover's all drilled and tapped, track's on. There's a spring inside there that piston pushes on, so I mean, I don't know, maybe the spring's getting a little weaker and it's not getting all the tension to keep that track tight. But anyway, I think it'll be all right. I'll keep an eye on it. But so that's how you change a track. Hope I can help somebody. Thanks for watching.